How ChatGPT agents work. ChatGPT agents aren't just chatbots. They're workflow managers powered by AI reasoning. Let's break down how they work. So, step 1, triggers. Agents start with a schedule, like every weekday at 9 a.m. or a manual run when you click run now. Step 2, process. Agents follow a workflow. Review inputs, check for missing info, draft outputs, and deliver results. Skills define what they can do, like research, scheduling, or lead management. Step 3, tools. Agents connect to approved systems, Slack, CRM, spreadsheets, or calendars to gather info and act. Step 4, autonomy. Agents adapt to contacts and correct themselves mid-task, but you stay in control. They ask permission before taking big actions, and you can override anytime. Step 5, examples. Agents can prep client briefings, scrape and enrich leads, or generate competitor reports. They save hours by automating repeatable workflows. And lastly, risks. Agents are probabilistic, so outputs may vary. They must follow data privacy laws and only act within approved tools. ChatGPT agents are workflow managers that combine triggers, process, and tools to automate tasks.